to Thomas and Marillyn Playtime. Robbery Bob, let's play. I think there's a people inside. Ready? Be brave. Okay, fine. Get that. Okay.
Wait, where are you going? You going outside of the house? Okay, let's scope out the house from the outside. So you gotta.
Oh, there's a woman. I did not. Wait, where am I? Where am I?
Wait, she's never gonna go into the room. Okay, go inside the room.
Wait, where am I? Where?
You're under the tree.
Okay, wait.
Okay, you're under the tree. Okay, left.
Okay. Get back. Get back. Today I will play coloring.
You're gonna color?
Yeah. Watch. With this thing. Try to look closer. What did you say? No, what am I even? Get in that bush.
Where are you? Go inside. Is that a window or the door? Okay, go inside the door. There I go. Okay, get the treasure. Leftover steak.
But I'm stuck.
You gotta hit, okay. Leftover steak. You can't get the leftover steak. Okay, stop. Look, okay, you gotta study her path. You see those red dots? You gotta open the door from there. Okay, you gotta study her path. She's always going into the square, right? The little red dot, that's her walking path. Okay? Whereas, oh, that's gonna be a hard one. Okay, go in. Oh, stop.
Maybe I should get out of here. Go, this is the other page. Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah, now I'm on the list next.
You won?
Yeah!
Okay, the next level, okay.
I don't want to brag it, but I am quite a talent.
Okay, that's another lady.
One time I've even won a trophy. And look at what I'm gonna grow. Bob is dead silent. There's another woman. This will be hard.
There's two women?
Don't you see in the kitchen?
Bob is dead silent, sneaking.
Like.
Okay, go scope out the house from the outside.
Okay. I'll push that guy away. Go away, guy. Oh my god. Push that guy away. And make him go in that house. Make that guy go in that house. Oh my god.
You can't go into the bushes? Wait, that woman doesn't move.
At all. Get that guy inside. Okay, get him.
Is that the only entry to the house?
I think so.
No, I think you can go to the other side. Let me try.
No. No. Push that guy in the house, okay?
Okay.
Push that guy inside that house. So.
Okay, where is Robert?
Orange, orange, orange. Orange, orange.
I know.
Push.
I am pushing him in there.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's walking away.
Oh my god, Bob.
Okay, I got him.
Push him. Get him in the house.
I know I'm trying.
Oh my god. Get him in the house.
I don't think I can get him in there. Okay.
Oh, I get in the other. Bob is dead silent. Uh-oh. Get him. Get that. Oh, go
Yes, we got it all the...
Oh, get that newspaper on. Yeah. Go that way. There's somebody.
Hold on. He's walking really slow.
There are two people. There are three people, right? How many?
Oh, you pushed him.
Hurry. Come on, I need to get out. The next one. We're going to play the
My
next one.
turn.
It's your turn.
Oh my god.
That was close one.
Yeah.
Ew, that was close. Super close. I must get some water.
You want to drink some water? Yeah? Hold on.
Which color you like?
Which color?